When were you born and where were you? Wow.
When
When were you born?
when were you alam mo na gusto, dili ng fiesta ang gusto nila tinan. Pati birthday na ako. Timing, next month akong birthday kung gusto mo at mo. November 9, 1999. So, bilang ko edad gani?
25.
Mag-26 na sa November 9. I was born sa Cebu City. Okay. Cebu City ko nahanak. Wala na ba kung kabalog yun lang? Okay. Wala ko kung kabalog actually. Pero nabunyagan ko sa car.
Ito daw.
So my question, gusto na. Sige, bibigyan na ba? Thank you for that question. So, almost 2 years already. Because the election last 2023, October 30 man to. So, this coming October 30 will be like 2 years na. Pero, wait, after sa election mag-vote-taking pa na. So, around November na may vote-taking na to. Yes.
25.
So, mag-journalists na ha, we have to be, sabi na, you have to take note yun, tanang-tanang gingon ni speaker. So, today, 25 ko, November 9, 26 na. Okay na. Okay, thank you so much for the question, no? One is that hindi siya ordinance ba ito siya or resolution? Additional honorariums for each SK. Okay, so sa municipal level na nilagahan, additional honorariums for each SK 500 each per month. So, within sa first quarter, ay sa mga by quarter, na sila yung website na manawat. So, as dili mo good, kasi makaingon mo nga, same ni tanan o honorarium, dili. Na ay uban barangay, 900, 700, 15, 18, magdepende na sa kadakon sa barangay, kadaghanon sa mga lumulupyo sa barangay, businesses sa barangay. So, kung gamay na mong tao, gamay na mong registered voters, gamay na mong lugar, gamay na dito mo, honorarium. That's why, maunahan na mo na nag-add ni o additional na honorariums. Next, for the ordinance, comprehensive
Wow,
the title is
See your religion. Nakadungog ka? Nakadungog ka? Question, Clyde.
Comprehensive Youth Code sa Magallanes. Comprehensive Youth Code. Youth Code. What is Youth Code? Ang Youth Code, diha yung batang tanan
Comprehensive Youth Code.
applicable sa youth. So, no? Pero ba't na siya karoon? Subject for committee hearing pa na siya karoon. Okay? Napo ito yung isa na established sa KKDAC, Kabataan Kontra Droga, where each barangay should elect officers in order no para masugpo yung illegal drugs, although parang far-fetched pa yun kayo ang vision, but hopefully sa atong pagkinabangayan mga youth, malesen po din natin